You guys are joining me a year into this build. What started off as a crash damaged car is now somewhat of a non-runner. We could say that. Restored it all, fixed the damages. Now I got some even bigger problems. There she is, my 2005 Honda S2000. She started off life like this. It's a crash damage S2000. Big damage on the front, but lots more hidden damage. The subframe was bent and had a cracked steering rack. So damage on the front left side. So the headlight had gone. The bumper, as you can see, still broken. Don't worry, we got a plan for that. The wing was gone, so I had to get a new one. The origin was red, had to get it paint matched. As you can see, the colour doesn't really match up, so shout out to the paint guy there. It's absolutely rubbish. Tag you a special carbon bonnet. See the weave in there. Does make a difference cooling wise. So lots of heat escapes through there. These F20s run naturally hot. Got a Cybon Mugen wrap carbon spoiler and boot. Blue everywhere. Nice cheeky little number plate. Let's see under the bonnet. Under the bonnet we have more carbon. Little cooling plate. So when the turbo's attached, nice cold feed should come in. So we have a nice big turbo here. It'll just direct air towards the air filter. Take a special nice thick aluminium radiator, wicked. So we're currently running no AC on this, hence the one fan. To be fair, in hindsight, I should have left the other fan and wire it up to a switch inside. So whenever I'm in standstill traffic, I just flip a switch, get some extra cooling going. AEM intake from the States. That comes down in and around. It sits behind this kidney grill here. A little bit of red over there. That's where my air filter sits. It's a bit dirty. So from factory, they come blanked off. Cusco strut brace from the States. So brakes wise, these are Accord Type R calipers, twin pot calipers, just a cheap OEM plus big brake upgrade. Pretty cool with the Ferodo pads, the DS2500. If you know about them, they're the really best on the market, I think, for street. They're freaking dust like hell. Oh, I've got a nasty little chip over there, whatever that is. These need another refurb. Exhaust. It's a HKS high power single titanium tip. Catback exhaust, had no cat on it either. Can you see the mismatched calipers? Blue on the rear, red on the front, makes it faster. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Probably wondering why it's on axle stands. Well, that's because this bloody F20 has a knock and I can't diagnose what it is. So let's get the car started and make you listen to the bloody rattling noise slash knocking noise. Hence the reason the engine's for sale. And we put a K24 turbo in. The K24 I've ordered on the way from Ireland. Some Irish importers. Get some low mileage K24A engines, the higher horsepower engines. Let's have a look see here. Ooh, we've got EPS light on now as well. Well, let's start. Yeah. As you can tell, it doesn't sound very healthy. Not good. Sounds like chain rattle. Sound like a loose tappet or a stuck tappet. So I've had a look top end, bottom end. I've had a look at the conrod bearings, had a look at next to everything. Just can't figure out what that noise is. I think it's knocking. It's making a noise I can't fix. So the conrod bearings have been taken out. He hasn't spun a bearing, so no metal anywhere. No metal in the VTEC solenoid, no metal in the filter. This is what it is. Just gotta change the engine. K24 swap, gonna lose 9,000 RPM, but will gain a lot more torque. These for 9,000 RPM and 246-ish horsepower. They have zero torque. Honestly, zero torque. That K24 with a snail attached to it is gonna be wicked. So much space. Imagine we put a 2JZ in this. They probably won't fit because of that member, cross member there. So that is where we are. K24 is coming in about 2 weeks, I hope. An RSP head off a Honda Civic FN2 Type R, the 2006 to 2011 I think they are. So I'm gonna document it all, the entire build we're gonna do. I missed out on repairing the car. We're gonna get this monster up and running in no time. Japanese icon. This car literally needs no introduction. Just look at the lines on it. Look at that. Grew up hating Hondas, but this is something else. Highly recommend everybody drives one. These are a different type of animal. Plans for the car. Paint wise, the tyre car is going to go satin pearl white. That's going to look wicked with the carbon. Want to do something about the wings. These wings I think need changing. Some Spoon or Jay's Racing. I've got a Jay's Racing front bumper. That was from Japan. That's in the shed, currently waiting to be put on. But yeah, got a guy coming to look at the engine. Hopefully he takes it away within the next couple of weeks. Blue on blue on blue. At first I was a bit disgusted by it, but I think the blue soft top with the pearl white is going to look wicked. Still smells fresh in here even after 100,000 miles. Look at her. She's just raring to go. Hopefully in another year, well, within a year, we can get it sorted. And that is it. Hopefully we can get this sorted. Well, when I say sorted, hopefully the K-swap will go according to plan. We're going to build the K-swap in the lean-to. It's going to be amazing. But F20, you've been good to me. Been good. Hopefully look after your new owner and put her into hibernation. Get well soon. Well, you're going to have a new heart soon. New heart. And here's our little furry friend. He's going to be helping us. Our trusted little mechanic. This here Sparko. He's going to be helping us do the K24 swap. Off he goes.